With the new season approaching, it's time to think about switching up our beauty essentials. We have lifestyle expert Angie Campanelli joining us again. Roundup of some of your fall faves here. Thank you for being back on Morning Live with us.
I'm excited to be here to talk about beauty.
Awesome. We have a lot of things to get through. I think we're starting with prepping our skin, right?
Yes. So before you want to dive into the exciting beauty products, it's all about taking care of any skin issues. So over here we've got Zach's Originals, and one of the issues that we deal with in our household is eczema, and fall is a massive trigger. We were actually just talking about it. So those are those like itchy, dry patches, and as the humidity drops and the weather gets colder, a lot of people deal with this. So in this product here, we have 3% colloidal oatmeal. It's actually the highest percentage of any product on the market.
That's incredible.
It's a Canadian
I love
product.
that ingredient in products already for itchiness, for really, really dry skin.
Try it. We were just talking about it.
Okay.
I want you to just feel how lovely this product is. So it's developed by Pharmacist, a Canadian brand. You can get it at Shoppers Drug Mart or at ZachsOriginals.com.
That's
How
so
does that
nice.
feel?
That feels wonderful.
I gave you a lot, right?
That's okay.
And your sleeves.
There you go.
I will happily take this. You can use this on your elbows, your face, your knees, anywhere on your body that you see those dry patches. And they actually have products for any of your skin ailments. You can see we have stuff for red skin, bruising, scarring, so you can go online to check it out. But that's what you want to do first.
Amazing.
Don't start piling on the trend items until you've dealt with those skin issues.
Yeah, so you put the makeup in the cracks and the dryness, it doesn't end up very well.
Or it will show even more.
Exactly. Awesome. What do we have over in the middle here?
So Shoppers Drug Mart actually recently had their fall beauty preview where they showcased all of these amazing items. So I had to bring in some of them because they're so exciting. This is
sneak peek.
Right? This is the Coco and Eve hair mask. Now it smells like coconut and fig. And this is a hair mask that is going to help you combat the fall static. I say put it on after you shampoo your hair.
That smells delicious.
And then
oh my goodness,
have your morning coffee, take the kids to drop off, leave the hair mask in, then rinse it out. Your hair is gonna feel so luxuriously soft. It's gonna help with all the summer dryness, the chlorine, all the, the beating it took over the summer months. This is a great fall must-have.
Awesome. We have 2 minutes left. What do we have over here?
Well, quickly, this is exciting news for Shoppers Drug Mart fans. Body Shop. You can now buy Body Shop products there.
Oh, that's amazing.
Right?
Oh, you just have to go to the Body Shop to buy Body Shop.
Not anymore. Go to Shoppers. This is their vitamin C skin or glow boosting serum and moisturizer. Great products. So if you don't have a vitamin C, add that to your morning routine. Also, if you're going to update your fall beauty, you need colors.
We're both looking very fall today.
Right? And the easiest way to update it, lip color. If you don't want to do anything out, swap out your lip color. This is Quo. It's a beautiful line. Simple colors go into the bronzes, the mauves, the burnt oranges. Switch out your lip color.
Amazing.
For your eyes, obviously Kylie Cosmetics. Anything Kylie Cosmetics sells.
Huge, yes.
So over here, you're going to see this nice neutral palette. There's 10 colors, but what I want you to notice here is that they're matte. Matte is back, my friends.
Oh
so
my
avoid
goodness.
the shimmer. Matte colors are actually friendlier for all eyes, meaning all ages. The older you get, use shimmer sparingly.
Okay, because that's going to fall right into those creases.
Yes. So that's a great trend. And last, I definitely want to point out, if we are running out of time, at Shoppers, they have this Drunk Elephant has just released their Rosy Drops. This is a viral trend. And basically, you can take these little blush drops, mix them into your foundation, your moisturizer, to give your cheeks a beautiful, blushy glow. But while you have the blush on your cheeks, they also have like omegas and antioxidants, which kind of work hand in hand with treating your skin issues.
All of our other products. Well, we'll get all of your information up online and where to find all these products on our website, chch.com/morninglive. More Morning Live for you coming up after the break, and I'm going to be trying some of these things.
Yes. Yeah. We're going to dive in. I'm going to paint.